Musta guys? For today's video guys, luto si mami ng fish lumpia. Di kasi nito di yung pinsan ko. May carrot, sibuyas at celery. At yung fish guys, nagyan din ng egg. Mix. Oh, yummy, yum, yum. Lagyan din ng asin, minta at flour. Halo. Yummy, yum, yum. Favorite po namin to ni ate, guys. Yan, red na para balutin. Ayan, binabalot na, guys. Magaling si mami magbalot ng lumpia. Ayan o, perfect. Happy birthday, Terdy. I love you. And guys, nabalot na lahat ni mami. Ayun guys, ready na. Like naman ng video na to. Follow for more. Pagkain tayo guys. Guys, love you. Like